Game 1, and we got something that is not updated yet. We've got, there we go, Muse as Cloud. We got Tornado as Marth. And unpopular Adobe opinion of the day is Marth is the best sword fighter in the game. And Tornado gonna try and prove that for me. Oh, this is Muse we're talking about. Muse, very good player. And I'm sure he's gonna make it very hard for Tornado to actually prove my opinion, which is fine. The Adobe opinions because they can't be proven anyway.
Pizza rolls for Drew.
Two items you guys right here.
I really gotta do it. I'm using it 76%. Okay, I can't stream. Give me a second. You get the full down off stage. Tornado, not quite at kill percent yet, but he's gonna drift a little too low and he's gonna lose the stock for it.
If this was melee, no, dancing. Sorry, you still would have been dead. You wouldn't have made it back to that far. Yeah. Oh, yeah, man. You would have been falling. I'll ban.
Was it one?
Alright, serial game 2. Tornado switching to Ryu, deciding Marth is not the answer he needs in order to take out this Muse Cloud. Muse just neutralating. Limit on deck. He's gonna get Tornado off stage. Tries to jab him, but Tornado able to drift just past it. And gonna catch him off guard with a shoot he can to recover. Limit cross slash gonna come out and it's gonna take Tornado's full strong. Muse sitting at 68%. Unfortunately for him, he is not at Super Saiyan percent. Oh, and he's gonna focus through the fully charged down smash. Well, at least new fully charged down smash. He's gonna punish it. And he's gonna true sure you can take Muse's full stock. Oh, they're sitting at 75%, 81%. He's still got a little bit of a ways to go if he wants to bring this game back and prevent himself from getting 2-0'd. And that forward smash is going to do it. Quick little set. Muse taking it 2-0.